Hello, my beautiful people. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you three amazing, healthy super drinks that you should try this summer, especially if you want to get fit and also if you want to keep your health or maybe your body at health. So without wasting time, we have the first one, which is so easy to make. It just requires you to have a juicy watermelon, and this one is so big, it's so large, and I love tasting watermelons. They are super 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 sweet here in Turkey. And there you have it, guys. You will have your juice. You can do it in a juice, or I don't know how to say the machine for extracting juice. I don't know the name. You write in the comment section if you know it. And I normally have this one at home, and it's just amazing to extract the juice from the watermelon, and it's so delicious. I kid you not, it's so sweet and so delicious. It's gonna calm you down. It's gonna give you the vibes of summer, and you can enjoy it just like that at home or outside. The next one is a common one. It is associated with Turkish cuisine, and it is ayran, and it doesn't require a lot. It only requires two ingredients: the yogurt, the plain yogurt, and water, together with some little bit of salt. Now this ayran is normally or maybe commonly used here in Turkey, especially during this summer. People love to make ayran. It is a refreshing drink, and also packed with the nutrients that are so beneficial to your body as far as your weight loss journey, or maybe your weight loss can be impacted by drinking this ayran. It's gonna help you to boost yourself in terms of health wise, and also help you to lose some kilos. So if you want to try it, just do it the same way I have done. It doesn't require a lot, and I kid you not, you're gonna love this one. It has this salty, tangy, refreshing, delicious taste that when you drink, especially this hot season, you're gonna love to drink it and drink it all the time. So there you have it, guys. Now to make it even more tasty and delicious, you can sprinkle on top some mint, dried mint, or even just plain mint, or maybe fresh mint. You can just put on the top. It's gonna give you that smell of mint and also refreshing taste. Okay. Now last but not least, we have peach smoothie. It is one of my favorite. It's so so sweet. You can do it however you want it, and I just love peaches because they are so 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 delicious, so sweet, and packed with nutrients. So first, I normally wash my fruits whenever I use them, and I normally use vinegar to clean everything and just to let them settle for 10 minutes before rinsing everything thoroughly. The best thing about Turkish fruits, it is that they are organic, just fresh from the farm, and that's what thing I love about Turkish fruits and vegetables. So once I'm done cleaning them, I leave them, I remove them, and actually peel out the outer layer. You can peel out, you don't need to, but I just prefer to peel out and then blend everything. Okay, just like that. there you have it, guys. You have your smoothie peach stuff, and my kids love ice cream, so I prefer to add a little bit of it inside instead of just giving them the whole ice cream, because it is super cold for them. They can easily get sick if they eat a lot of ice cream. So I try as much as possible to incorporate everything so that they are actually getting two things at one time. So it is one way of actually staying healthy, and also actually hydrating yourself during this hot summer. Remember, you need, as much as possible, you need a lot of drinks, because it is super hot right now in Turkey. Okay, so there you have it. You can take a glass of peach juice or smoothie wherever you are, whether you are going to school, to work, or just at home. It's gonna be refreshing. Now, last but not least, as a bonus, remember to take plenty of water. This is so important to you. It's gonna help you with everything, regardless of if you have eaten or not eaten. Water is so important. Now, I love all my fruits, or maybe I love all the drinks that I have mentioned with you, but sometimes, or most of the time, I find myself picking the watermelon over, or just favoring the watermelon. It is the season for watermelon right now in Turkey, and most of the time, without wasting time, I'll think of a watermelon during the summer season. Please write in the comment section which fruit or which drink is your favorite among the ones that I have shared, or if you have also any other ideas, or maybe you want me to try any other ideas during this summer. Please comment in the comment section, and I'll keep it. I'll try as much as possible to make the juices for you guys, because it is summer and we are doing summer stuff when it comes to your health, and also when it comes to your fitness. Otherwise, I'll see you next in my next video. If you are enjoying my videos, you want to see more, do me one favor, guys, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye.